Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features, and of course I'll shortly make my way around, take a seat inside and run yourselves through the interior features in a bit more detail. The car itself is a 420D M Sport Gran Coupe, presented in the carbon Schwartz metallic. Alongside that, of course, we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car, and included in that is the 20-inch 405M style alloys that are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2017 17 plate. Not only is this car a facelift model, it also has the very sought after adaptive LED headlamps, as you can see there. By adaptive, we do of course mean so whichever angle the steering input is made, the headlamps will follow, of course meaning better lighting, and of course meaning brighter lights in the direction of the steering. Down the side of the car, you'll see situated behind those alloys the M Sport Plus pack brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with that full pack. Down the side of the car, we've also added the satin sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals, and it does also have the BMW gloss black air breathers. Again, on the rear windows, you'll be able to see, thanks to that Plus package, again it's got the sun protection glazing, and the interior for this vehicle is again a very nice coral red Dakota leather, which works very nicely in conjunction with the exterior colour. It also comes with the heated and electric lumbar options, and as you can see, again, all very clean and tidy. We've also got the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. It has got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we'll take a closer look at that shortly. In the rear, you'll find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and of course, again, a very nice contrast between that and the darkened M Sport headlining. Before we head to the very rear of the car, I'll show you off these alloys once again. At the back, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser, and of course those sharpened facelift rear lights. You do also of course get the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals an exceptionally large boot space, which you can make even larger thanks to the fact you can take out both the top and bottom partial shelves, along with split folding seats. Moving on to the other side of the car, where again we can show you that this carbon black or carbon Schwartz metallic really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, and again is in fantastic condition. And we're going to shortly move on inside because there is yet more special features to go through with yourselves. So now we're sat very comfortably inside the car. First of all, we have got the powerful mirrors on this car, so as you can see there, we can use the button just by the window switch, or of course choose to do so via the lock button on our key. We've got the professional wide navigation and media screen again, of course, and we'll run you through a couple of the features of that. As you can see on screen now, the nav screen is open, and we've got real-time traffic updates keeping us on the fastest route possible. A wide array of multimedia inputs right the way through from DAB all the way through to Bluetooth audio, music collection and USB. Bluetooth telephone of course as well, and heading back to the main menu, we'll in a second check out the service requirements and service history of the car. Down here, however, we've got the dual climate control along with switches for our heated seats. Back over here, you'll see that the car's covered just over 54,000 miles, and hopefully throughout this video you've been able to see that it is in fantastic condition throughout. Another nice optional extra for this car, again sometimes can be difficult to get this through nicely on camera, it has got the head-up display along with road speed sign recognition. So as you can see, it will not only display our speed along with satellite navigation turn-by-turn directions when a route is set, it will also display the speed for the road that you are on. I think that possibly may be the first time I've managed to say that in the right order. However, back to the car itself, you will see here that the next service is not due for 4,300 miles, and we have got again full BMW service history with the car, which is a fantastic nice bit of peace of mind for anybody potentially looking to own this car. And with a 420D that looks as fantastic as this, and with some very nice options indeed, bearing in mind, and of course with the additions that we've made here at Your Next Car, it's not only a fantastic looking vehicle, it will also drive fantastically as well. So thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. For further info, remember in the description you'll find a link to the website as well. Thank you very much guys, do of course take care, and we hope to see yourselves very soon. Goodbye.